Welcome back to Learn Java on Codecademy. We're in the Object-Oriented Java section, the main method. We're almost ready to use our custom dog class. But first we need to understand how to structure and run our Java program. You may have noticed a mysterious looking line of code in previous lessons that looks like this. Public static void main, string args. This is Java's built-in main method. We will learn more about methods and keywords around the main method later on. First, let's understand what the purpose of main is. When Java runs your program, the code inside of the main method is executed. For now, you can ignore the keywords in the main method that we have not yet covered. You will learn about them later in the course. So your dog class already has a main method. It should look like the following: public static void main string args. Do not include anything inside of the main method yet. Click run to continue. I guess all they're really introducing us to is the concept that for a Java program to run, it needs this main method. Or better yet, when Java runs your program, the code inside of the main method is executed. So we're going to specify inside of here what we want our program to do. And when we run, click that button, it will run the code within here, within the public static void main. But that is the importance of this lesson. I'm excited because we're starting to dive into actually creating something. And I'll see you guys on the next lesson. I'll see you guys there.